Hey everyone, want to transfer files between 2 Mega accounts? In this video, I'll show you how to move files from one Mega account to another step by step. Yeah, whether you're switching accounts, sharing storage, or organizing your cloud files, this guide will help you transfer your data easily. First, sign in to the Mega account that contains the files you want to transfer. Make sure you're using the correct account before starting the process. Next, locate the files or folders you want to move. Organizing your files first can make the transfer process much faster and easier. Now right-click the selected files or folders and choose the sharing option. Enter the email address connected to your second Mega account and send an invitation. Open your second Mega account and accept the shared folder invitation. Once access is granted, the shared files will become available in the new account. To create a permanent copy, move or copy the files from the shared folder into your own Mega Cloud storage. This ensures the files belong to the new account instead of only being shared. If you have many files, you can transfer them in batches to make the process smoother and avoid upload or sync issues. Another option is to download the files from the first Mega account to your computer and then upload them to the second account. So, this method works well when you want a completely separate copy. While transferring files, check your available storage space in both accounts. Large folders may require enough free space before the transfer can complete. After the transfer finishes, open the second Mega account and confirm that all files and folders are available, and that's how you transfer files between Mega accounts. With these methods, you can safely move your data and keep your cloud storage organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.